doing my closet, and I did the shelvings for the closet. As you can see, I'm gonna show you guys how I did that in a second. It took me about a week, if the most, well, if the least. I spread it out throughout a week because this was very time consuming, and this piece of wood, which is mahogany wood, is very heavy. So it took me a while to get it together. I like the finished product. I wish I did the long dresses section longer, because yeah, they're currently just resting on it. But despite that, I really like the outcome of this. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and tell all your friends, share with your friends, and let me know what you think in the comments. So let's get down to business. Okay, so let's get started. I previously cut 2 pieces of 42 by 20 and 3 pieces of 2 feet by 20. So right now I'm just doing the bottom piece of the middle section because I'm doing it in 3 sections. So this, I am just gluing the bottom of the middle section. Once that was dried, I decided to glue the other side of the middle section to the bottom piece of the middle section. Okay, once that was drying, I decided to varnish the inside and the outside of the wood. I wanted it to be a darker color to match the color close to my fan. So I did that for the inside and the outside of the middle section, but I stopped at a certain point where my outer pieces of the section would be at, and underneath that would be white. You'll better understand it when you see it later on in this video. Okay, this is just the final look of the varnish. Right now I am just gluing the outer side of the section. As you can see, I did the white. I stopped it at a point in which I wanted the height of the outer section. So this is where I'm going to be attaching the wood between the 2 colors, and that's where I want my height of the section to be. Okay, once that is drying, I decided to cut my closet rod into 3 pieces. I think the 3 pieces were each 3 feet. No, 2 feet actually, because it's a 6 feet closet rod. So yeah, I did 2 feet each for 3 sections. Right now I am doing attaching or fastening the woods with what do they called, corner brackets. Yes, I'm fastening them with corner brackets because I noticed with the glue it wasn't staying, and also I think I cut it not straight, that's why it wasn't staying, and I couldn't get the screw in from the outside, so I used some corner brackets to fasten the woods together. Okay, so for the outer sides of the closet, I cut 2 feet of wood, and I then, for the edges, I did 45-degree angles so that it would be able to hold up the outer sides of the closet sections. Okay, you can see how they would be assembled in with the 45-degree. I'm right now just attaching the wood to the middle section, and then I will be attaching the top piece of the wood onto the outer section of the closet section. That's how it would look when I finished fastening them. You can see it would help hold the section up. I also fastened the side piece of the wood onto the middle section so that it could be properly secured. And here is where it got really tiring. I didn't find anything that was high enough for me to use to put up the closet section, and let's just say the chair worked, so that's what I am left with. So I fastened the top of the sections onto the middle piece of the closet, if you see what I mean, and right now I'm just putting in the closet rods. And here is the final look.